So today we're working on this 2011 Malibu. The gas struts on the trunk have gotten a little weak. They don't quite move the trunk up as easily as they should. So this is pretty much the same method of changing them for anything that you're working with. So to change these out, you just need some basic tools, really just a pick if you've got it, and some vice grips can be helpful. If it's a hatchback, they're really heavy. You'll want to clip the vice grips on the strut like that so it doesn't fall down on you, because some of them do get really, really heavy. And if you don't have a pick, you can use a small screwdriver. Okay, and then just to illustrate, here's the view of the vice grips on the shaft to keep it from going down, and there it is holding the trunk up on its own, so that way you avoid hurting yourself. So the process is pretty simple. I'll show you on the new one. There's these clips here that you basically pry underneath, and they come right off, and you'll get the old strut off. And then when you put the new ones on, you just slam it into place. It's really straightforward. So let's get to it. Just putting the pick underneath the edge of the clamp here, and here it's coming out. And almost had it. They can be a little tricky, but keep fighting it. You'll get it. There goes one. There goes the other. So now you just pop it off, and now the old one is off. Good times. Okay, new one. Like everything on today's cars, they want everything just to pop on when they're putting them together, so you just pop it on, and that's that. Okay, let's go ahead and get the other side here. Once again, just pick underneath the clip, pry it out. Next one's out, and strut is off. And these struts, you can get them, most places, Amazon or Rock Auto. I generally prefer Rock Auto. Usually works out to be the cheapest. When you go to your local AutoZone or O'Reilly, you're going to pay a little bit of a premium. So anyhow, there we go. All set. Works like a charm. That's good enough. If you found this useful, please hit like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.